I think China has been showcasing very impressive progress in terms of urban development. And China has always paid great attention to housing. So making sure that people have access to housing as a mechanism of welfare, but also perceiving the importance of housing in terms of economic development. It's a critical day where we reflect, where we exchange, where we build critical mass and have consensus about the challenges of the different cities or of the urban sector in different countries. I believe the experiences can be very helpful in illustrating new trends and new concepts for the future of the city. So I have expectations that this will be a very, very important platform for UN Habitat to support this process of transferring knowledge and expertise.